face again. Oh no, I see your face again. I saw a silhouette and wish that it was you. Hope that I see your face again. Oh no, I see your face again. I see your face again. I see your face again.
List before. First is boarding pass. Yung boarding pass ko, na-download ko na. Shampoo, conditioner, soap. Okay, so, arte.
Boom. Boom.
Guys, look at this. Sobrang tirik ng araw. Tapos aalis na ako, guys. Sobrang sakit na ng ulo ko. Isa pong Y1. Type June na lang. Ano po, 3? Pwede po kayang i-ano lang sa coffee? Okay po.
Sabi ko, Lu. Hi guys, I'm with mom. Hi, welcome to our home. Groom. Oh, groom. Dito na lang. Dito na lang. Wait lang, meron ka ng parang pocket? Ah. Ano nang 5.8? 13.9! Yes! Ilan?
Ang cheap po sa loob, guys. One each. Guys, ang fresh ko naman din. May
Si Majoy.
Pochako.
Si Inabit Cebu.
Uy, selfie!
Guys, lahat sila aalis. So, may iwan ako dito. Oo, kakain muna daw sila.
Selfie na yun.
Naglagpas na talaga ako.
Tinatamad na magbuka. Tinatamad na magbuka.
Guys, pasaan ba kami? Is this an international or domestic flight?
So, we'll be here hanggang 5:30.
Iiwan ako kasi hindi ko alam yan.
Ito na ang prettiest.
Sino mag-video nun? Ako
Sino?
na shot girl. Should we... sige,
Ano
sige.
pa yung aanuhin mo? Hi guys!
Should we... Okay lang tayo. So, mga ano tayo?
What can you say? What can you say? What can you say nga ni? Nag-post siya nag-post siya.
Interview ba to?
Yeah. What can you say ngayon?
Today has been a really remarkable day.
Remarkable!
Because ever since I was a child, I'm actually, ang pinaka-short na lang dyan is I'm very happy to be traveling with these people.
Aww, I love you guys.
I love you.
Staple mo yun, te. So right now, waiting for our flight with my scammed iced coffee. Review tayo, guys. Yun yung mga kaklase namin. Siguro. Ito ang aming Americana.
Gagawa ko ng tayo.
At ito ang pasabog na si Muriel Manalo. Na talagang sobrang fresh. Ay, ganda mo, te. Huwag ka na magpagupit, ah. Guys, blooming si Muriel. Hulaan nyo na lang kung bakit. Hulaan nyo kung bakit blooming yung babaeng yan. Mapakit ka nga, te.
Ay, tawagin mo ako, tawagin mo.
Sige. Mer! Ay! Nalobat! Ano nangyari? Game. Mer!
Hi po. I found my reviewer. What is
nag-baby talk na naman siya.
the formation of MCU deposit? Muriel Manalo. Late stage. Chronic na. Ano ba to? Nasa dulo na yun ang dila mo.
Kaya nga eh. Wala na, lagpas na.
Tofu.
Ah.
Found in hands, wrists, elbows, and knees. Saan most common?
Sa big
What's
toe.
the
Tarzan?
sa
Tarsang
phalanges?
Ay,
Metatarsang phalanges.
Columns underneath the Pantheon. Ovid with a pen in the heart of Rome. Julius and purple with the Lord.
hi everyone. So, nandito kami ngayon sa airport. Okay, interviewin ko muna yung mga kasama ko. First is itong si Wen. Ano yun? What do you feel right now?
Hindi ko alam. Very excited na ako to make memories with him.
Ah! Anong nararamdaman mo right now?
I'm busog. Winter melon.
Oh, ang bango guys.
Pero sobrang tamis.
Subscribe na. What's the question?
Anong nararamdaman mo right now?
Without parents or family. Ngayon, nang first time.
2 minutes kayo ate.
Hindi nila narinig sinasabi.
Kaya siya sa amin.
Nag-i-emo siya.
Sayang yung imig natin kasi ikakat ko yun lahat. Tama na, te.
Hindi natin marinig yung sasabi niya.
Papatay.
Binigyan daw siya ng chance. Hindi ko alam kung anong chance.
Chill lang. And siguro yung excitement ko ay mararamdaman ko. Wala. Parang naka-power save ako. Kasi late pa kami makakarating sa Success. Marang pinagdaanan bago pa kami makarating dito. And then, pagkatapos na.
I feel dizzy, so what she said. Yes, what she said.
Abangan nyo na lang kami for this trip. Look forward na lang kayo sa aming vlog kung anong mangyayari sa amin.
I miss you, Mom, Dad, and the Anne. Bye.
On every quest he lives is legend by dawn. Spill the wine, spill the secrets, catch the Colosseum glances, ink on pages by the fire of bacchanalian dances. Cut the deal, cut the road, take the gate, keep the throne, move the pieces, name the days, etch the future into stone. Some people just know what to say, philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just leave, perpetual running, always chasing the view. Live it up, write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the builders of the first town. And we all end up quoting our mothers. What would the world be without the writers and lovers? The writers and lovers. By the foreign ruins under July skies, heat of the moment into lovers' eyes. Marble on their sneakers, empires under.
Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
Touchdown!
Touch is down.
We're in Cebu!
Ganda pala yung hangin dito.
Guys, ganito pala yung hangin sa Cebu.
Sinian, nasa Paris pa. Omo na. Ang gwapo ng piloto, guys. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo kasi wala.
Oo na, kasi may tow line siya here eh.
Ang setting. Well, like, guys, omo na. Omo na. Omo na.
Amo na.
Omo na.
Wala pa kayo.
Wala, hindi pa ako nakalam sa airport.
Oo, parang wala 5 minutes na nasa Cebu, naka-target.
Omo na? Napa-omo na? Anong na-inhale mo, te?
I don't know.
Partox, come on guys, Partox.
Jet fuel
J4.
daw. Jet fuel.
Jet fuel daw. Ano yung effect nun?
Feel ko,
Euphoria?
feel ko mapangit yung mukha kasi.
Matanda.
Natin yung jet fuel.
Everyone sa park.
Grabe naman yung sobrang provocative. Provocative? Are you provoked?
Ayusin mo ang vlog mo. I will
Pwede.
judge.
Nare-reveal yung aking kulay na pagkatao.
Ayun o, yung aesthetic namin kaibigan.
Hi guys!
Guys, we're already in the Sumakay lang na airplane, ganito na yung nangyari. We're in the
Ano tawag dito?
aircraft shuttle.
Shuttle bus.
Shuttle bus.
Tama ba?
Yeah. Thirsty. It's me and her. We're buddies this trip.
Yes. We are
Yeah.
gonna be... Pag nawala siya sa Ocean Park guys, hanapin ko siya.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Tigilan niyo ako. Tatanungin ko kung nagmamalagkit ko sa next to mga to.
Hindi ko naman first time mag flight talaga. Pero like super iba yung experience ngayon kasi nga I'm alone and then without my family. Like friends lang talaga yung kasama. And outside pa ng Luzon. So exciting.
Pilipinas.
Hindi, Korean. So nagta-travel siya ngayon. Parang recent video niya. So yun. Tapos nag siya, Bulacan siya. Tapos recently Pampanga. Lumipad siya ng airplane.
Got me falling for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me for you, falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love hardcore? Yeah.
So, nandito na kami sa Cebu guys. Humid ba?
Ang init.
Ang init.
Sobrang init. Ganito pala ang hangin dito sa Cebu.
Guys. Lechon na agad. Guys, lechon. Ngayon na tayo mag-lechon.
Guys, sobrang ganda ng airport sa Cebu. Like, ano to, Mawa? Kahit wala man ikaw kwarta. Kanina, gusto ko ng Macau. Sabi ni friend sa Sanwa, ay kamang kwarta. Yun yung pangpagising sa ating lahat. Na magtipid. Mga tao dyan sa Pilipinas, hindi ko na kayo babalik or
Set the score. What are we here for? Heart closed, tongue tied. Can't help these feelings that I got. Got me falling hard like.
First is a rare of the night. Paghanap ng elevator.
Elevator 4 to be specific. Ang enat guys.
bago pa mahanap yung elevator 4 na yan.
I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, for you, for you. Tell me, do love hardcore? Yeah, dressed in white one day on a tightrope. My mind spinning. Please wait. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for.
Hi guys. I think we're settled. Hindi pala nainig si Dian. Tutulog ka na niyan.
Guys, grabe.
Guys, so we're on the way na sa
And I am here with my dear friend. Kailangan ang pang-lechon ko.
So stay soft, pretend